Kina the brave bird. Kina was a small bird living in a big green forest. She loved watching other birds fly high in the sky. But when she tried to fly, she could only rise a little off the ground. The other birds laughed and said, Kina, you're too small. You will never fly high. But Kina didn't listen to them. She believed that one day she would fly just like the other birds. Every morning, Kina woke up early to practice flying. She flapped her wings again and again, even when she felt tired. She kept telling herself, I won't give up. One day, a strong storm came. The wind blew hard, and many birds struggled to hold on to their branches. When the storm was over, Kina saw a baby bird stuck on a high branch, far from its nest. The other birds were scared to help, but Kina knew she had to try. Without thinking, she jumped from her branch and flapped her wings as hard as she could. To her surprise, she flew higher than she ever had before. She reached the baby bird and gently guided it back to safety. The other birds watched in amazement. Kina, you did it! You can fly high! They cheered. From that day on, Kina never doubted herself again. She showed everyone that with practice and belief, anything is possible. Now, she was not just a little bird, she was an inspiration to all.